Recently, Gujarat state in India witnessed the worst incidents of pedestrian suspension bridge collapse over a river, causing many deaths and injuries. Initial reports of media said that the bridge was reopened after repair work without the required certificate of fitness from competent authorities. That is, bridge was reopened without its safety audit. Later, the media also said that forensic report presented in court said that bridge could not withstand the weight. The cables were rusted, it had broken anchors and other such technical faults. In this 16th video, in series of 20 videos on revenue leakages through service contracts, the experiences are shared depicting importance of technically quality confirmation, that is, having quality assurance plan for jobs being executed and adhering to the plan. For those who don't know, I am Dhaval Dolakia, having more than 34 years of experience in petrochemicals and engineering industry. Believe me, revenue leakages exist. They happen, they occur, even though you have the most robust systems of transparent contracting with most rigorous monitoring, controlling and auditing systems. These leakages are identified by experience. The chemical and petrochemical plants consist of very large and complex network of piping spread out in various sizes having varied metallurgy. Similarly, these plants have many vessels, storage tanks, heat exchangers, columns. Out of all this piping and equipments, some consist with requirement of insulation, either cold or hot depending on their type of process. These piping systems and equipments are thoroughly insulated to sustain working fluid temperature. Depending on metallurgy of piping, the flow of working fluid and temperature range of working fluid to be sustained, the specification and dimension of insulation thickness is arrived. These insulation are in form of leggings, sheets, pads of various thicknesses. For application of say 90 mm thickness, 245 mm thickness layers of legging are applied. Similarly, various combinations are made to achieve required thickness. Now, piping system or network is complex one, rooted at heights difficult to approach and through confined spaces also. And same is the case of equipment, where 100% inspection is not possible. Here it becomes more complicated, where timely insulation material is not received. And discrepancies were found in huge in my entire period of professional experience. The thickness of insulation are found compromised in specific location or area which are less likely to be inspected or accessed. Many times got it corrected when found during on checking contractor's claim of completion of job. It specifically happens where composite nature of contract is awarded. That is, contract is inclusive of supply of insulation material as well as application of it. Well, revenue leakage here is not just on contractual rates, but on major cost of energy loss and efforts that process plant have to take to compensate unsustained required temperature in the system of working fluid or the media. The contracts document pertaining to these cases seemed okay. However, it was felt that quality assurance plan is not adequate. It needs to be more stringent. At times, it also happens due to pressure of timeline of completion of job. Here it becomes more complicated where timely insulation material is not received. We insisted the quality assurance plan should consist inspection of each setup of length of insulation on floor before installing it. Another suggestion was to have or explore thickness measurement instrument with kind of laser beam so that measurement can be taken of object at distance from approachable floor. Similar to insulation, discrepancies are found in industrial painting, building and structure painting work. Depending on surface and exposure to type of atmosphere, the specification of painting is arrived and its painting practice with quality assurance plan is formed. For each painting work, there will be system of application defined, which will consist of number of coat of primer of particular thickness in microns. Thereafter, application of number of coats of paint of thickness in micron. Each coat application will have drying period before next application of coat. The person painting and or the supervisor of the ongoing work are found with lack of knowledge, not aware with painting coat thickness they are to deliver. Inspection to ensure this quality is done on some approachable spots randomly. Here also revenue leakages are found in same fashion to that of insulation jobs, where it was felt to have stringent quality assurance plan. Another interesting case which I had came through very long period ago. We had a job of storage tank repair. The job consisted of certain portions replacement of storage tank shell and bottom plates, as thinning was found at certain area. Due to locational and infrastructural issues, the plates of specification 316L metallurgy was sent to contractor's workshop for profile cutting, bending of plates and such activities. These prefabricated plates were brought back to storage tank location. The old damaged portions were removed and these prefabricated plates were fitted, welded respectively. This was followed by leakage test for check of integrity of storage tank. On finding it okay, it was put back, commissioned in system. Within 12 months period, considerable thinning of shell plate at certain portion were detected. In the same storage tank, it was further revealed that it is in same portion which was replaced earlier. This thing happened due to corrosion. This damage was not expected so fast. Thus further investigation was done. On checking the metallurgy, the shell plate were not of specification, which was supposed to be 316L metallurgy. This revealed that the plates sent to the contractor's workshop, which had specification 316L for prefabrication, and on returning these prefabricated plates were not having metallurgy 316L. The plates got changed. This could have been avoided if the metallurgy of prefabricated plates on returning would have been done before applying them to storage tank. The quality assurance plan was not adequately formed or visualized for such incidents. It was formed and agreed upon jointly with the contractor. And further, this was found true for so many cases occurring regularly. Either quality assurance plan are defective. At times, quality assurance plan is completely absent. We have came across such cases too. Another cases are where adequate quality plan exists, but defect is that the process is not stringently followed at time of executing the job. It is duty of contracting team to ensure quality assurance plan are provided by concerned authorities and the bidder have understood it thoroughly prior to bidding. Queries are addressed on paper. The cases given here are easy to understand, but this happens more with complicated cases of repair of rotary components, which are having very intrinsic and of complicated nature of repair process. Such revenue leakages go unidentified many a times. Do not ignore experiences. These revenue leakages are arrestable. If you like the video, the content, don't forget to comment and give thumbs up. If you have missed previous videos, here playlist card is displayed. Click the same to access missed videos. Also request you to subscribe my channel so that you are notified with my next uploads. Till we meet in next video, goodbye.